I lived with the Ogon Phone Bag for a few days to tell you what I think. I didn't pay for the product, the brand sent it to me for a review. They let me say whatever I want about it. I'll put an affiliate link in the description to where you can find this. If you use the link to buy something, I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to you. My first impression when unboxing the product is that the robust polymers and kind of seatbelt-like straps give an impression of something built for much more demanding heavy-duty applications than is needed. The metal hardware push-button opener is a scaled-up version of what I already know from Ogon's wallets, which I've owned for some years. It's satisfying to operate, very precise. Inside, of course, is the phone pocket, which is lined with a ripstop style fabric that will probably offer a lot of longevity. Yeah, this and this all feel like the kind of materials commonly used in the automotive industry. At first, I thought I'd prefer a pouch here rather than just a strap, but actually, once I learned to trust it, it holds my phone securely and allows me to operate my phone somewhat without taking it out. Continuing with the over-engineered feel, this central divider and organizer has a hinge that provides a very precise, controlled motion, completely devoid of any wobble. I thought I wouldn't want to use the credit card holder, but again, it's just really satisfying because the cards are secured with just the right amount of tension and are easy to slide in or out, and offers RFID protection. These soft straps protect the front of my phone. This side of the divider is exactly the shape and size for a passport. This side of the bag provides a deep, versatile pocket, again with this lining which also prevents things from rattling. It's big enough for a regular-sized bifold wallet if you prefer not to use the credit card holder. The pouch is elasticated and you've got about 16 by 8 by 2 centimeters depth, perhaps more depth depending on how much you have stored in the dividing organizer. Okay, I found a different use case for the product than the trendy city wear that I believe is intended. First, I tested it and found that while not waterproof, this raised profile does offer resistance to light rain when the shell is closed. So I think they inadvertently made an activewear product. When I'm hiking or scrambling, anything in my pants pockets or side jacket pockets has potential to fall out or bump against obstacles, and most hiking type jackets don't have inside pockets. So I often carry an almost empty backpack just for a few essentials, but now I've been using this and it's been a perfect solution. The bag sits quite close to the body. I also found it comfortable just to tuck under my arm. The outside of the product has this air cushioned pad that goes against your body, and the exterior of this composite shell is anodized aluminum which offers scratch resistance. This one is finished in a matte metallic look navy blue with profiled ridges. I like it.